Welcome back guys to the new video. Today I'm gonna show you my new product. I bought it for my home gym, yeah, to just do a little bit workout because I can't go now for the gym because of COVID. No, I'm not ill with COVID. I just don't want to do vaccine, but it's other story. Let's do for this product. This is the Viking pull bar. I read good comments for this pull bar, and it can hold around 150 kilos. It's very stiffy, I think, and I didn't open it yet. We're gonna open it together and we're gonna see if it's good product or not. Let's do it, guys. Okay, let's open it together, guys. Let's cut it. My knife is like horrible knife. Maybe from here. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. It's like a full steel thing, I think. I don't know, like now how it looks like you see. Oh, let's put it here. You can see. And yeah, I don't know how it's work. We need I need to see instruction for this. But it's very stiff. It's like heavy one, yeah. And it looks like good quality. Yeah. No. You see, it can hold. We need to see like instruction. I think it's instruction here. Let's see. Yeah. This is instruction, guys. We need to see how we can put it here. It's stop. We don't gonna drill nothing. I think so. Like it show what exercise we can do here. Okay. Now it's show us everything here, like you see. Let's try to put it and let's see if it can hold me. Okay guys, I thought that we don't need to drill something, but we have two these things. One I put already here, other one I gonna put here. Like I did 12 centimeters from bottom to here, like you see, and we're gonna put it on this, like this, you know. You have hole here. If you see this hole, it's gonna be put it inside there, and it's gonna hold it better. Let's put these little things and we're gonna see final product. Okay guys, now how it's look like. It's pretty good quality. I already tried. I'm gonna show you again. Look how it's very stiff here. It don't gonna go nowhere. I'm gonna test it now to show you. I'm 90 kilos and you're gonna see how it hold me. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe to my channel, and of course have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.